This 2022 CrossRoads Cameo CE3921BR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wharton, Texas, 77488 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.